Once you've selected all of your exposure menus and you've clicked Start Study, you'll have this screen pop up with all your exposure menus to the right-hand side. You should take your X-ray exposures in order and feed them in order into the CR system. But if you don't, what you want to do is change this data input icon, the circle with the arrow pointing inside of it, to whichever exposure you currently have taken and you're feeding into the CR system. And then you can see when I click through how that data input icon changes onto different exposure menus. Now that you're on the correct exposure menu, you can go ahead and feed in your CR cassette. Now that you've taken your X-ray exposure and you have your exposure menu selected, you can now feed in your CR cassette into the reader unit. In the bottom right-hand corner of the top cover of the CR system, you'll see an icon showing you the orientation of the CR cassette. You're going to go ahead and feed it in that order, tilt it up, let it slide down. It's going to now take out your imaging plate, it's going to read it, and then it's going to erase it and place it back into the CR cassette. After you've put in your CR cassette, you'll see a preview image coming up on the screen as it scans the image plate. Once the CR system is done scanning and erasing the image plate, it will then put it into the cassette. Once that's done, you'll see a little blue flashing light. At that point, you can just pull the cassette right on out. Once you're done scanning all of your images, in order to complete the study, you can either click on Complete, which will close out the study, or you can click on Image Viewer, which will close the study as well as open the study in the image viewing screen.